I'm going to show you an extraordinary sight. One that is neither rare, but it's neither rare nor something else. I can't think of a word, but you will be amazed, I assure you. Come Behind me is my parents' room. Yes, now that sound you are hearing, it's actually the sound of my father snoring. Amazing, isn't it? Most would think it was a caged lion, but no, my father. It is this. I shouldn't be too worried about waking him up right now because he's snoring so loud it wouldn't really matter. He would more or less wake himself up before I do. But still, it is a rare occurrence that he's snoring this loud. He usually snores, but still. Amazing. Yes, my mom is probably asleep too. How could she do? It's like yeah, so that's my dad.